it's Rachel here today. I'm with my cousin Haley. I look kind of like a mess. I like put on half my makeup and then just kind of didn't feel, yeah. Anyways, today's video is going to be what I got for Christmas, and then we're going to be talking about some stuff that she got for Christmas too. I filmed the same video with her 2 years ago. Yeah. Last year I was just solo, but yeah, so if you guys want to watch my last two what I got for Christmas videos, I will link them in the description box. So yeah, we should go check those out if you guys want. You know, common disclaimer, I'm not trying to brag. I just want to show you guys what I got. I like totally love watching these for other people, so I don't know, maybe you guys like watching what I got for Christmas videos, so I just thought I'd upload mine, you know? So yeah, also sorry this is going up a day late, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's get into the video.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna be doing is clothes.
We do like a Secret Santa thing with my like siblings because I have 4 siblings, so yeah, my little brother Jace got me, so he knows that I love Dachshunds, and he got me a bunch of Dachshund stuff. Okay, so the first thing that Jace got me is he got me, sorry, it's like kind of wrinkled because I don't know how to do laundry, but yeah, so he got me a shirt and it says Dachshund through the, I don't know, Dachshund through the snow, that's what it says, but like, I don't know if it's supposed to sound different. But yeah, so it's this shirt, it has like a little dog on it, and I just love it. And then he also got me some, oh, I guess I only have a single sock here, but these are, did it fall? Oh, it did. Oh, well, you guys get it. They're wiener dog socks with Santa hats, and I've already worn them, so they're kind of dirty, so I'm sorry. But yeah, they're super cute, and yep, it like came in a pack of 2, so these were also included. They're just like navy socks with silver stripes, so yeah. Okay, next my grandma got me some llama fuzzy socks, and I love these so much, they're so funny. And yeah, I'm just really excited for these. This is also Rachel doesn't know how to do laundry part 2. So yeah, I got pajamas, so this is the top, it's just like a gray shirt. This is from Gap, by the way. So gray shirt, and this, these are the bottoms, they're little balloons. So yeah, they're really wrinkly because I'm not good at like laundry. Next, I got a hat from Old Navy, and it's just white in it, and it's so cute, and yeah. Okay, and then next thing, it's just this black purse from Old Navy, and it's small, and I like it because it's like, I don't really like big purses, I like small purses, and I think this is so cute, and I like the black and gold and stuff, so I'm really excited for this, so yeah. Last thing in the clothes category, they got was from my best friend Kirti, and I love her so much. She's the best, and she knows me so well. I love like cacti and plants and all that. Like I have like a whole like thing over here. But yeah, so I will do like a close-up later, but it's just this like necklace and has like a tiny little like cactus. Okay, me putting my hand is not helping, but you know, you get it. It's like a little cactus necklace, and I love it, and it's rose gold. So yeah, I'm super excited to wear this. I've already worn it a few times, but like I love it so much, and yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to be saying a couple of things. The main things I got, so I got a straightening iron because I love to do my hair. Yeah, I do not have my own shop when I older. Anyways, so I got that. Then I got a Chromebook, which I'm super excited about. And it's basically like a laptop, if you don't know what that is. And then the main present I got, drumroll, a puppy! I'm getting a puppy. It's a golden retriever, and he's only like 12 weeks old, and it's awesome!
Me too. Can't wait to come visit and see your dog.
So, hey, we think we're gonna name him Oliver, so yeah! Anyways, so that's the main stuff I got. So, back to the video.
This is really, really random. So my brother, he knows what he wants. So, you know, he had me for the sibling gift. And he told my mom that he wanted to get me a wiener dog stocking. That, I don't even know how that crosses anyone's mind. Like, that's so random, but I love it. And, they actually have wiener dog stockings. So, it has a bell on it. And this is the collar, I'm guessing, and then this is, yeah, and it's just...
It's sad because it's hanging upside down.
Yeah, it's a Dachshund, so, I absolutely love it. This has, like, a little hook thing to, like, it's like a tag, so it's supposed to say my name, but the person who did this on Etsy spelled my name wrong, so my mom sent it back. So yeah, I'm getting a new tag or whatever, but I love this and it's so cute and like I just would never think of this, and it's like something I didn't know like I wanted, but it's so cute. Okay, so this is all just like a bunch of random like food stuff that I got in like Stockings. So again, my brother got me like a mug. Well, he didn't really get this stuff, but like he gave my mom ideas, obviously. He's 5, so yeah. They don't knock it over. I got a bunch of like Chips Ahoy, Stockings stuff. And then I got some Oreos. I got another pack that I ate it. I got some Dots Skittles. I already ate the Skittles. And then this is Dylan's candy bar brownie batter. It's a dark chocolate bar. I don't know. But this sounds really good, and I'm pretty sure it's like gonna be good because I love Dylan's candy. So yeah. And I got some Tic Tacs. Well, I'm like, yeah, I got Tic Tacs. Okay, no, but for real, I got Tic Tacs, and I got some, what is this, blueberry muffin mix? I just stabbed myself. But yeah, so this is good for me because I don't know how to cook. Maybe we can do like a bake with me video, make this, that'd be fun. So yeah, let me know if you guys want that. But yeah, so blueberry mix. And then we got some tea because I love tea. So yeah, it's all just like random stocking stuff, but yeah. They don't knock it over. The mug. I knew I shouldn't put that on the floor. Okay, so here's some more stocking stuffer stuff, and this is all like beauty stuff, I guess. I don't know. But I got some tissues, and then I got some deodorant. I think Santa was trying to tell me something. I don't know, but no, for real, it's like I love this deodorant, like I live by it. It's so great to like throw in like my backpack for like school or for cheer, because like I do get a little stinky at cheer. But no, like I don't know, I just live by this deodorant. I sound like an ad. I wish this was sponsored, but you know, it's not. But yeah, this is like the best deodorant because it's so small and I just love it. Fun fact, my dog actually thinks it's a ball and she likes to like, I don't know, it was just sitting on my desk one day and then she tried to jump up and get it because she thought it was a ball, so, yeah. My dog wants my deodorant because she thinks it's a ball. Okay, so next, I got some key lime chapstick and it's 30 SPF and I love chapstick. I love Sunbum, it's like, I just look over your face, you're like, okay, yeah, but no, I like Sunbum, so I'm excited to use this. Okay, next thing I got were these invisible bobble traceless hair ring. I don't know.
It looks pretty painful in the picture to pull out. She's like,
oh wait, true. Okay, yeah, but anyways, Bye Bye Kinks. It's like they're rubber bands, but they're supposed to be like, you don't get the little ponytail dent, you know? So yeah, some of these. Okay, and then I got a makeup remover towel. It's just a towel, but it says makeup on it, so yeah, I thought this was cute. Okay, and then the last beauty product I got in my stocking was some Tarte Shape Tape, and I love this. I live by this concealer. This is the best concealer ever. I mean, everyone already knows it, but you know, just in case you didn't know, like, this stuff is the bomb. Okay, and then my grandma got me a Sephora gift card, and I love Sephora. I also love Ulta, so anyone who gets me like a makeup gift card from either of the stores, like, yeah. I feel like I look so dead after these clips. I'm like, I love this. But no, I actually do appreciate it. Emerson, bless her soul, I love her. So Emerson's my sister, and she did like a little card for me that said Merry Christmas, and it has a dachshund on it, so yeah, I thought this was cute, and yep. So these are like my biggest things that I got. These are my last two things. So yeah, I got a Polaroid and I love it. This is my Polaroid wall right here, and I've like begged people to take pictures of me and give me their film so I can put it on my wall, but I finally got my own Polaroid, so now I can take a bunch of pictures and put it on my little like, I don't know, my string of lights, I don't know, I can put it on there, and yeah, this is definitely gonna fill up fast, so I don't know, maybe I'll have to like, do like a whole wall of them, but yeah, I got like a ton of film, so these are like packs of 2, I think, and then I got like, I just got a lot of film, so.
Biggest present she got was the iPhone 8.
Yeah, so, I got a new iPhone. I wasn't expecting this, because like, before I had like an iPhone 7, and I actually had like no problems with my 7. It was a good phone. I say way too much, but yeah, I totally wasn't expecting a new iPhone because like my phone was like fine, but I got a new one, so it's always fun getting a new phone. So yeah, I'm excited. I heard it has a better camera, and I just like this is my phone, by the way. I got a new phone case too, so yeah, I'll do a close up later. But yeah, so I just like transferred my 7 to my 8, and I like, my mom has like a wireless charger thing because she has an X, so I put it on there and I'm like, whoa, it actually works. So that's my favorite part, that I can use like the wireless charger now. So yeah, I'm super excited for that. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Yeah, I don't know. I just really hope you guys had a good Christmas. Hope you guys got to spend a lot of time with family. That's actually why I didn't upload this right away, because I was like spending the whole day with my family, which was so much fun.
Yeah.
So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I know I've already said that a lot. Happy New Year. I'm probably gonna upload before then, but if I don't, then I wish you guys all the best. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.